Crap. How many people did you bring here, Nadine?
She does have an entire army. You think we'll find treasure?
Well, let's hope not. For Sam's sake. Look, something here. It's addressed to Richard Watt. It's signed Adam Baldridge.
They were both founders? Look, we can climb up there.
Yeah, but it's too high, even for a boost.
Then let's look around.
Refreshing. Hey, here we go. Look out below!
Nice one.
Come to Papa. After you.
Oh, how sweet. You want me to be your decoy?
No. Just being gentlemanly there.
Just busting your chops.
Yeah, well, the chops are plenty busted already. Thank you. That wasn't too bad.
Whew.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. You?
Well, wet again. Tired, bruised. Well, hungry. I could eat. Other than that, fine.
Yeah. Whew. Okay, come on. Let's keep going.
Current's really strong here. Come on, let's try cutting through this house.
Yeah. I'm right behind you. think the colonists flooded this place?
Well, they definitely had the motivation.
But you don't think it's them.
I just find it odd that all these houses are underwater except for one.
Avery's.
Exactly. I'll bet this is from the Gunsway. It's beautiful. Oh, what's this? Jesus. Got all Lord of the Flies in here.
No kidding.
Hey, check it out. These cannons look like they were retrofitted.
Yeah, improvised defenses. Guess they didn't expect they'd be fighting each other.
Guess not. Ooh, nice water feature. Time for another swim, I guess.
Hey, Nate. Over there, that looks like an exit.
Whoa, whoa! Stronger than it looks.
Hold up. I'll weigh it down for you.
Great. Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Make a great counterweight. I mean,
It's okay. I'll choose to take that as a compliment.
as well you should. Swallow some water. I made it. I'll find a way up for you. This should work. All right, stand clear! Here you go.
Hey, great.
Let's move this out of the way.
Yep.
Okay. Hey, look. Thomas II's sigil.
So we're in his mansion.
Second in command. Going up the pirate hierarchy.
Good lord.
Looks like we found the party.
Looks like we're a little late. Hey, Nate. Check it out.
It's another sigil.